Hi guys, Jin here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for clicking my video. I really appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. So for today's video, I will be doing my January Boxycharm. So this is what it looks like. I got this box yesterday, which is the 25th of the month, and today is 26th. So it is pretty late. I'm a little bit annoyed that I got my box pretty late. I don't know what's the deal there. The only reason I see why this box came in pretty late, maybe because of my previous box, which is the December Boxycharm, because I have one item there that came damaged and I immediately emailed them and asked for a new one. So maybe that's the problem there, why I got this box pretty late. Anyway, that item was the pretty vulgar, so they gave me a new one. They included it in this month's box. There you go. Anyway, this video will be a little bit different than my usual unboxing video. I am not gonna talk here in front of the camera while pulling products from the box. I will go straight to the makeup tutorial and show you the products I have got this month. And let me give you a little bit of information about this subscription. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription, which is you only pay $21 and you will get 4 to 5 full-size product with a retail value over 100. So if you guys love makeup and you want to grow your collection, I think this is a pretty good subscription. So if you are interested, I will leave their link below in the description box and be sure to check that out. If you guys want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. This month's theme is Rock 2018. I still can't believe that we are in the year 2018 already. The first product in the box is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This brow has a lot of good stuff in it, like vitamins A, B5, C, and E, and it infused with brow enhancing like biotin, which helps keep the skin and hair healthy. And it has a spoolie on the other side that I forgot to use. You have to push hard on the skin though, so you can get pigment. I am not a fan of the pencil shape. I like the very tiny tip because it's easy for me to mimic my brow hair. And this is retail for $24. So next is the Pore No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. This Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow, which is true. I have to be careful on how much I use though because I have oily combination skin. I am not sure about the blurring effect because honestly I don't think I have a pores problem, so I can't say about it. Anyway, I love how my foundation looks on top of it. My face looks really smooth and flawless. This is retail for $38. Wow, that's so expensive. By the way, I am using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade 5 and 6. I mixed them both. I just used my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer as an eyeshadow primer. Then I used the shade Strut in the Kitten palette as my transition shade. This is by Winkylux and I got it from Boxycharm. I forgot which month. Then I moved to Soiree Diaries by Pure and used Stunner shade. I mainly focus it onto my crease using a more precise brush. Our third product in the box is this Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro. This is a pretty palette. It has 8 shades of shimmers and 1 matte black shade. I used heavy metal for my lid. Anyway guys, I used again my Tarte Shape Tape to clean out half of my lid. This way it helps the eyeshadow really pop. This kind of eyeshadows are best if you just use your fingers because they will apply more pigmented. You can add setting spray to your brush as well. Then I used black metal to darken out my outer V. Then I went back into the heavy metal because some got blended away when I blended the edges. And then blend again to avoid harsh edges. Then I bronze up my face using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer. Our next product is by Pure, the Complexion Authority. It is their Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. It has bronzer, blush, and highlight. I didn't use the bronzer because it's too shimmery for me, even the blush. I think the blush is good as blush topper, and the highlight is okay. It is a little bit chunky. It gives me glow, but is definitely not my favorite highlight, but I will continue to use it. For those who love shimmery blushes or bronzer, I think this is really good to travel with since they are in one compact. By the way, this is retail for $34. Wow, it's another worth of more than $30 product. Then I lined out my lips using my favorite Rimmel London lip liner in Zen Zero. So the last product in the box is the matte lip paint by Girlactik. I've never tried Girlactik lip products before, but this one is really good. This is in the shade Posh. I love how lightweight it is on the lips. I feel like I wasn't wearing any lip product. The formula is really good. I love it. I think this will become one of my favorite lip products. And this one retailed for $23. So this is the finished look using my January Boxycharm, and if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!